In this video, I'm going to talk about how to download sound drivers in Windows 11 and how we can do it. So let's get started. So you can try this as the first one. So first one is all about what you need to do. So you have to go over here, search here for device manager. Now from here, you have to click on the device manager and that is going to take you to this. Now from here, you have to expand this. And first what you need to do is you have to navigate to sound, video and game controllers. So I'll minimize these in order to avoid the doubt. Just navigate to sound, video and game controller and you have to expand this. Now from here you have to find your correct audio over here. Now as you can see, most probably you can see we have various options and the most probably the audio might be high definition audio device. So it might differ from computer to computer. So in my case, this is what it is. So I have to right click and go to update driver. First of all, go for search automatically for drivers and make sure it is up to date. If it is already up to date, you just need to go back and click on browse my computer for the drivers and select. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And from here, you have to select this and go for the next. Once you go for the next, what happens is it will be updated and you have to check whether you're having an kind of an issue with the audio right now with the drivers. Still, if you're having the trouble, we just need to download it manually. So if we don't know how to do it, we just need to go over here, search here for system information. Now from here, you have to click on this. Now what happens is that is going to take you to this and from here, we'll be able to get a complete details of our computer. And from here, you have to navigate to something called baseboard product. So this is actually a numerical value that represent what is our motherboard model. So this is my motherboard model. So I have to right click over here. Either I have to copy it or I have to note it down anywhere else. So mine is H310MH. So what I need to do is once I get into the baseboard product, I have to minimize this, go over here on a Google Chrome. Then I just need to go back to the Google Chrome and over here I have to search here for the baseboard product. So I have to type H310M, put a space H and I have to type motherboard. Then just go for this. So it says over here I'll be getting all the details and this is my motherboard. Just get into the first site that is showing you this. And from here, if that is going to take you to the official website. And from here, you will be able to download the right audio over here. You'll be able to download it and you can just go back. And also you can just go over here. Sorry, you have to type here audio driver. H, you have to type the model number and just search here for audio driver. So okay. That is going to take you to this and from here you have to go to the link that pop up first. Now just go to the link that over here or any site that comes with the first one. Now from the particular site we have to download the over here you can see we have Realtek RHD audio. We have various options and from here based on your PC requirement, if it is Windows 11 with 64-bit edition, you have to download this. Similarly, we can check it and you can download it. Then most probably you have to install it and you have to check and that might work. So these are the steps and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.